in our country, as we think that we can be the nuclear power, we should have nuclear power. But in other hand, if we see in Jharkhand, the mining of ore, and it would affect in a manner so that the person can handicapped and going through the mental peace, as well as they are dumb, that in a big city we don't have fresh fruit, fresh vegetables. Supply water comes in our home, and we can go through the falling of hair, skin disease. So we will have to do. We can do more plantation. We should control on population. Thank you.
It's about the population, pollution. As Mr. Billy told us some points, and I am also going to tell you about what the pollution is. The pollution means that the contaminations of water, airs, soils, foods, etc. like that. There are 4 types of pollutions. First, air pollution, land pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. If we talk about the air pollution, then we also can see at our surrounding then what the air pollution is. If we see the vehicles, there are lots of smoke initiated with the vehicles, which also affects our lungs. Due to the lungs problem, the person gets suffocated. They are not able to breathe efficiently oxygen, and in our environment nowadays oxygen good decreases. And if we talk about the soil pollution, then we can say that now due to the acid rains, the soil got acidic, and the crops that are grown in that soil, they also got acidic. And if we eat that crops, then we also get diseases like some diseases, skin diseases, and in the internal diseases like fever and chlorella etc. And if we talk about the water pollution, then in our country there are lots of diseases due to the water. As you see that some people dump their garbages into the water and sewages. Also the industrial wastes are dumped into the river or in the sea. What's the effect that industrialists don't see about that? There are lots of aquatic animals died due to this pollution. So we also have to control on it. And if we talk about land pollution, then we also see that what's the land pollution is. There are lots of garbages are thrown beside the road, and the animals that are domesticated by like cow and buffaloes eat that garbage, and what's the effect that nowadays the animal decreases. It means that the natural things we have got decreases, and our country, our environment got lost day by day. You also see now the UV rays are initiated in our world. How this is due to the global warming. Thank you.
Pollution is a serious and growing environment, and it is a harming